Hello everybody, welcome back. So, I just finished my first, little practice driving thing, and, I learned I'm a dumbass. Anyways, today, we're gonna mainly play World 3, but we're also gonna see if this has a secret, and then we're gonna do Level 3's secret. Yeah, I learned that there's a lot I do not know. So, there we go, I guess. I learned many a thing new. I don't know. I don't know what that means, but okay. Whoa. I mean, I just don't see, I feel like the way that I went would be the secret, would it not? Wouldn't this be the secret? No? Yeah, that's the normal, I knew that, but, I don't know, I feel like with the way that there's, a thing on the side, clear space on the side, it kind of just looks like there's a secret. But hey, I can be ignorant, and I can, go in the other doors and see what surprises are there. Or I could just press this here, and then maybe go back. That's also an option. Nothing. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's actually anything in there. I'm not gonna, keep dwelling on that. Let's just move on. Right, I need to find the rest of the coins in this, too. Because I need my coin badge. Okay. I need my coin badge, right? Well, I guess I don't need it, but I want it, so, yeah. I want my coin badge, so I'm gonna get my coin badge. Yeah, okay. Y'all got that? Oh, man. Okay. Yep, the secret went up. That's not so secret anymore. Oh no, I wasn't trying to go up here. This is the way I went last time, and it didn't do anything good for me. This way literally does nothing good for you. I don't... Isn't this exactly what I did last time? I don't want to be here again. There was literally nothing here of value, except, one coin. And I'm pretty sure this sends you to the end, too, So, that's great. Yeah, this is literally the end. I mean, hey, I'll take the extra life and more stars, but... Yeah, that way's not gonna get you anything, so... Except, I mean, it could get the coin thing. I don't know. I mean, why would they be there if they weren't necessary, right? Oh, what? Okay. I thought I was safe there. Maybe I'm a dumbass when it comes to this, too. Maybe I have no clue. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. I really don't know about this. Wait. There's something solid up here. Is it just a barrier, border, whatever? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, so I can just stay down here if I want to not go up there. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. Ain't that joyful. How am I supposed to get all the stuff, all the Yoshi coins? Okay. Let's be careful now. We haven't been here yet. Frick. Guess I can't get all the Yoshi coins. It is so muy imposible. Where is the freaking secret? Oh, I see it. Yeah, how am I supposed to do that? And then, oh, because there's another one here. Okay. Okay, fine. Don't go to the normal. We've already gone the normal in a different way. That would do us no good. Oh. Cool. Alright, we got everything from this level. And, of course, we have our Star Warp. Yeah, we'll do Star Level 1 right now. Why not? Ooh, Star. Oh yeah, this is a lot of chucks. Good thing. Where? Okay. Ah, this is fun. Oh my, I do not have the red switch yet. What's this? Oh, another star. How good. Or, how nice. Okay. I am not getting the coin badge this time. Okay, don't. You know better. Okay. Something down here. More stars. Yep. I'm gonna just go up here. No! No! Ah, all I wanted was the coin, bro. You know, I mean... You know what? Gotta give it to that. It's kind of convinced me to do that after I do all of this, just because of that, the red switch. I want to make sure I have all the switches, although, I mean, this might be the red switch right here, and it probably is. If it is, then I'll just go back and do that one again, but... Yeah. Alright. We got a secret and Yoshi coins to find. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely the red switch. Okay, so might want to focus on trying to figure that out first. Just cause, you know. What is this doing here? Well, there's gotta be something there. Don't know what, but, I'll figure it out. I don't really want to go that way, though, because I want to know... Oh, okay. Because obviously, I feel like this has... This is suspicious right here, you know? It's just a bit suspicious. But you know what? Let's just keep going. Who cares? If we don't get it now, we'll get it later. We can focus on getting the Yoshi coins right now, at least. Oh, that was a 1-up. And it went the wrong way. How charming. Okay. The bats were not necessary. Okay. Yep, looks like a P-switch. Oh, and a mushroom. Okay, so I'm not gonna press the P-switch in here because I don't think that's right. I guess it could be, but let's see. Let's see. Just because I don't know about this. I mean, maybe for the coins, but other than that, I don't know. I think I'm gonna need it for over here. Nope, it's not a coin. So we got all of those at least. We can pair that with the normal exit. But I Bet you I need it under here. Yes. Sure do. Oh, really? Okay. I think I just got, like, everything except the normal. Okay, this is the red switch, so I'll just do this, and then I'll just go back and play Star Road 1. Just cause, why not? Oh, I think I want that up there. Do you think I want that? Why are they not respawning? I'm cooked. I'm cooked now. Okay. Am I cooked? I don't know. Let's see. No, I'm not. Okay. We're good. Beautiful. Nice and quick. This world doesn't seem like it'll be nice and quick, but we'll see. I mean, like, I know the red switches aren't gonna help that much in this level, but it's just an extra switch palace to have before I head into here again. Okay. I'm just doing it to have an extra switch palace. I mean, in all honesty, this is really just a star run level. It's not anything insane. Just, I mean, yeah, because that's quicker. Oh, gives you a free 1-up. Okay. I mean, all you need to do is grab the stars and run through. That's all you need to do. Yeah. Pretty fun. Because you're just invincible, like, 90% of the time. Not here. Don't be invincible here. You really don't want to be. Not there. Yeah, that's where I got the third one last time. Okay. I'm gonna do this first. Might have been a bad idea, but nope, it wasn't a bad idea. And I'm getting a few lives. Okay. Could have benefited from having everything, but wouldn't have made that much of a difference, though. And I got the coin badge. Look at that. Boom. And I get even more lives. Joy. See? Boom. Oh. Okay. Fine. Dude! Oh, man. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, we got plenty. About 42 now. I'll take it. And then, obviously, I can keep going there, but I'm not going to. Alright. Let's head back in. To the volcano. And I gotta redo this entire level, but that's okay. I hate when the secrets are at the very end, because you literally just have to fully redo this, and it's just... Oh, that was stupid. Okay. We'll be fine. Okay, we're not gonna be fine. That's great. Oh my god. The bats. And the ceilings. Plural. Why? See, we need all those lives we got from... This is just stupid. I'm done. I'm done. We're not. I don't have all the time in the world to do that. Oh yeah, I have to get all the coins in here too. I'm not gonna do that right now, but, you know. I still need to do that. I'll probably just do it off camera. Or forget. That's not even what I pressed, but okay. Let's go. Look, it's to look better, okay? You look cool if you have all these golden token things next to your levels, right? So, alright, this guy's, get killed by fire. I completely forgot about that. Yes, I don't know what this coin's about. That was quick. Jeez. But yeah, now I get to see what the P-switch is used for in that room, because I don't need to use it for the secret. Yay! Yeah, just let those guys do their thing. They can do their thing. Okay, let's see, what is this supposed to... Ooh, that's actually quite a lot of stuff. Okay, I'll take it. It's pretty good. It's like a little haha we tricked you gift. How cute. I love that. That's adorable. How quaint. Alright, boom. We can finally continue on in this world. Oh, this one has a secret too. Okay, fine. Are we still in the caves? That's a stupid question. What's down there, huh? What's this? What? What? Wait. Huh? I'm not even sure what you're supposed to do right there. I'm actually not sure what that is. Like, how do you do that? I actually do not know. Okay. What's this? Great, more stuff. Oh! There's no way that just worked out. Oh, wait, that actually worked out in my favor so well. That actually might have just worked out in my favor really well. Oh my god. I don't even... Oh, yes I do, never mind. Let's go. Let's hop a Rooski on up. Okay. Fun. Okay. That was the checkpoint. How fun. Yay. Checkpoints exist. In the another place where a secret could be. Oh, I think that might just be the rest of the level, actually. Yeah, that could be the rest of the level. Seems like another place there could be a secret possibly hiding, but I don't know. Think so? Oh, I do think so, actually. I quite think so. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, is that just gonna take me to the fortress? Yep, alright. Just takes me to the fortress for free. I'll take it. I accept that as a gift. I'm not gonna, like, do that, but for people who want to do that, that's actually a pretty good deal. Oh, okay. Considering that wasn't a very difficult secret, really, so... Okay, alright, okay. Boom. Boom. Let's just go up here. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I'm missing coins. Wait. I completely forgot about the coins. Isn't there one over here? Is there one over here? I'm not actually sure. Is there? I thought there was. Was there not? Am I going crazy? Probably going crazy. Alright, because this is the beginning. Yeah, okay, so. I thought when I, like, went down. Oh, maybe it's down here? Another secret, seriously. Maybe I was missing one. I was missing one. I was missing two? I was missing three? What? That's not true. I was missing three? I think that was just a way better bonus than the other one. Is that gonna take me to the same spot? Oh, it does. Okay. Here we go. Now we only need to get one more to get our badge. And it's just right over here. Okay. No. Oh, another one. Sure. Wow, I got over what I needed. See, I'm like crazy like that. Also, does every single level have a secret? Like, oh my god. Because I bet the Ghost House probably has a secret going over to the freaking castle as well. Or something, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh no. Okay, that's not a good start. Predictable start, but not a good one. Oh god, okay. Alright. Is there anything over there? Don't think so. Dude. Okay, P-switch. Silver P-switch? P-switch. Okay. Oh, what was over there? Okay. Whoa. Broccoli. What? Yeah, only 3 coins. And no secret either. Even though this is... I technically don't even need to get this secret because that's just the Star Warp and I already did level 1. But I'm gonna try and get it anyway, so obviously something with a P-switch, right? I think we all understand that. It's freaking P-switch blocks. Why? There's P-switch blocks everywhere. Alright, so... Yeah, I don't think there's anything under here. I mean, I could just check. Yeah, no, nothing. I forgot! Start Select exists. Yay! Yay, it exists. Yay. Oh, okay. 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 Oh my god. Bro. Bro. This part's kind of tight. No. Where is the P-switch? Okay, where could there possibly be a P-switch? Like, actually. No, it's not even gonna be over here now, is it? No! Where the heck? Oh, wait, I just realized. Okay, well, if I don't do that, then... Yeah, there we go. Okay. think I'd see what to do. Oh my god, I hate this fucking chalk at the beginning. Ooh. 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 Hop. Ooh. Come here, little bro. Okay, there we go. This should... Oh, really? It doesn't have the... Okay. That was not the P-switch. I really thought that was the B-switch. Oh my god. Okay, where is it then? Like, it's gotta be somewhere? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, right, I forgot pipes exist. Okay. We got another outside section, I guess. Coin. Bro. What? What? What is this pipe? Oh, that's where you'd normally... Okay, okay. So that was an alternate way out. What's up there? What? I just realized, you can... I wonder if there's something up there. Okay, I already played this part. Hey, I got my coin badge. That's all I care about. Okay, so what about the P-switch then? Oh, I also got that. Yeah. What about that P-switch? Oh, jeez. Bro. Really? Not appreciated, but okay. Have I tried this one? No. Wait, no! Crap. I don't know. All I know is that we don't got time for that right now. You can figure that out later. Oh, there's something up there. I'm just gonna go this way, though, for now. Because this probably has a secret, too! Up there might be it. I'm not sure, though. Oh, okay. Another thing that could be a secret. Quite enticing, indeed, yes. Let me make... Yeah, okay. I can go down here. P-switch. Okay, definitely need a P-switch. Sorry, I had to go a little sooner than I thought. That's okay. So yeah, as you can see, I did get all the coins, but I didn't beat the level. Yay. So we're gonna finish it now. Maybe get the secret? Okay. I don't know, depends on if it's a secret or not. Don't know if it is, but we'll see. Ooh. Okay, can't keep going. That's fine. P-switch. Oh. A key. I need a key. Where's the key? Okay, so I know that there is a secret in this level. Okay. Jeez. So where's the key? It's gotta be in here. Bro. Oh. Okay. There we go. And yep, that leads to the castle. Most obvious secret ever, honestly. I think the real solution might be less obvious than the secret one. Oh, oops. What do we got next? The fortress. How fun. Can't wait. I do not remember how this level goes. Did I block it out of my memory so soon? How come? So maybe that door, maybe this door, who knows. P-switch as well. For good measure. Oh, whoops. Forgot about that. Honestly, I want to try this door first. Just cause. Okay, I hate you. But okay. Alright. We go and do this. We go and do this. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa! Woohoo, mean ghosts. Nothing over there. Alright, this part, yep. Right. Yes. I remember. Just go through here. Get out of here. Ooh, lava on the ground. To show that we are in the lava cave. Okay, I don't know what joys this fortress is gonna have, but we'll see. Not very joyful so far. Dang it. Oh yes, and be careful because we need to get all the coins first try. If we want that coin badge. Okay, that's not all the coins. That's not any coin badge. I mean, because there's a pipe here, right? So you have to come out somewhere. Or you have to go in somewhere to come out somewhere. But where? Did I just fully miss something obvious? Frick. Yeah, maybe I just shouldn't go for the coin badges on non-replayable levels. Honestly. I think that's a better idea. This one also says broken door. But the level isn't broken, so that makes all the difference. Okay. Yeah, maybe let's just not try and get the coins on non-replayables. Yeah, not replayable. Look at that. Not really any point in that. Because you can't replay it. Ooh! This one's very red and sandy. Lava filled too. Dude, are you kidding me? We'll still get them on these levels though. We'll try to get them on like the non-replayables, but like I'm not gonna try that hard to do that. Oh my. Oh, that was uncalled for, but okay. Design's so good it doesn't spawn in half the time. Yeah, no, that's bullcrap. No, don't. Wow. I feel like I played way better without commentary. I think I'm gonna do World 4 without it. I wanna see how this ends up. Okay, look we got one of these weird worlds. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. Looks like we got one of these weird worlds where it splits. So this will be interesting. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna do World 4 without commentary and see how it goes. Yeah. For now, bye.